You're the color of my blood. You're the cure. You're the pain. You're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much. So much. Love. 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 What an amazing feeling. Love makes you happy. Love makes you hopeful. Love makes you feel grateful. Love makes you feel inspired. Love changes your life completely. The first time I fell in love, I was unlike anything I had ever experienced. Sure, I have heard about all the romantic comedies I have seen, but I didn't know what it was really like until I experienced it. Having such strong feelings about another person shook me to my core. It made me reevaluate my beliefs. I learned what it was likely, what it was like to really care about someone. Everything I had believed, everything I stood for, suddenly disappeared. I found a whole new world opened up for me. I was no longer close minded. I became a yes person. I learned to smile. I learned the meaning of never say never. I had a new outlook on my life altogether. Every bit of the hour I spent with him, I enjoyed a lot. I dressed up well for him. I started to make myself feel beautiful, confident. Everything was for him. I started hearing his name everywhere I went. Even in traffic jam, I heard somebody's calling his name. I was turning back and looking at it. I know he's not the person who's coming on the way, but I feel that, okay, he's coming. Everywhere, I was able to see his face. Every now and then, I was able to hear his voice. Even I started to collect the chocolate wrappers he used to throw in the dustbin. 90s kids, right? That is what we can do. It was only 100 messages available in those days. So the beautiful conversations we had, it was not enough. That 100 messages was not enough to share the thoughts we had been flowing in our mind. Those days were amazing. Years later, we decided to get married. Then we got married. We started our life. But after a few years, everything disappeared. Those little happiness, those beautiful thoughts, those beautiful conversations, everything disappeared. Now, at the time of pandemic, stressful life, stressful situation, lot of depressions. Wherever you see, you will hear about diseases, deaths, problems. We can't go outside. We have to be inside our home. The same 5 to 6 people. Every day we have to talk to them. So complete depression, complete stress inside our mind. Don't you think this is the right time to start or, or feel that love once again? I decided to love him once again, to propose him once again from my heart. Then I'm really successful on that. Now I'm completely relieved from those stress moments of my life. I made special food for him. 12 o'clock in the night, I used to call him and I would say, I love you, my dear. The unexpected moments, I used to propose him. I used to show the love in various ways. Whatever the ways is possible, I used to express my love towards him. Are you married? If yes, go and propose your wife. Go and propose your husband. Because this is the right time for you to restart your love life, because we are surrounded with a lot of stress, a lot of negative news. We have to get out of all these kind of negativities. The best feeling which can take you out from all sorts of negativity is LOVE. So start or re-energize yourself with this beautiful feeling now. If you are not married and you are a single, this is the right time to search for your better half. Wander here and there like you went, but be aware of SMS. What is that? Sanitizer, mask, and social distancing. With all sorts of measurements, try to wander in the places you want for searching your better half. Propose her, show your love, express your love, make it colorful, and enjoy every moment of it. Na 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 நினைத்தாலே இனிக்கும். LOVE. 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 Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Priya Ganesh.
We want to say a lot of things after this speech.